The super blue moon is a rare celestial event that occurs when a full moon coincides with the moon being closest to Earth in its orbit, making it appear larger and brighter than the usual. The term blue refers to the fact that it is the second full moon of the month, although this doesn't actually make it color blue. This phenomenon typically happens once every 2 to 3 years, but some parts of the world may not get to see it for many decades. During the super blue moon, the moon can appear up to 14% larger and 30% brighter than a regular full moon. This makes it so popular event for stargazers, photographers, and sky watchers gearing up for this rare celestial event. Lunar phenomenon is set to take place on the night of August 30 and early in the morning of August 31, 2023, coinciding with the Hindu festival Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu festival celebrated every year in the full moon month of Shravan to celebrate the bond between siblings. The word Raksha Bandhan means band of protection. The history behind this festival goes back centuries. It is said that when the Lord Krishna hurt his finger while handling sugarcane, Draupadi tied a piece of her sari around it to stop the bleeding. Since then, the custom of tying Rakhi became prevalent in India. Apart from strengthening the bond between siblings, this festival also symbolizes unity among people and spreading love among each other. The festivities usually start with sisters preparing special meals for brothers, followed by exchanging of gifts and sharing sweets. As per tradition, brothers vow to protect their sister throughout life, that after tying them Rakhi, while they pray for long, healthy lives. Overall, Raksha Bandhan celebrates familial bonds and show appreciation towards one's loved ones. On this day, the festival is not just limited to brothers and sisters, but also celebrates this relationship between cousins, aunts, uncles, and other family members. It is an occasion for everyone to express their love and gratitude towards each other. Apart from the traditional exchange of Rakhi and gifts, people also indulge in the various cultural activities like singing, dancing, and decorating their homes. Many communities organize fairs and events where people can come together and celebrate the festival with great enthusiasm. Raksha Bandhan is not just a festival, but a reminder that our relationships are important and need to be nurtured. It teaches us to appreciate our loved ones and cherish the bond that we share with them. In today's fast-paced world, festivals like this provide us the opportunity to slow down and spend quality time with our family. As we celebrate this beautiful festival, let us remember that love knows no boundaries or limitations. Let us spread love and positivity among each other, not just on this day, but every single day of our lives.